Children, let's start with question number 11 of exercise 5.3. Here Sn is given. What is the statement? Sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. It's given. And you have to find what? First term. First term means A1. A1, S1, why it is S1, that I will tell you. Then you have to find sum of first two terms, means S2. Then second term means A2. Then third term means A3. 10th term means A10. And nth term means An. All these you have to find out. Now children, listen one thing. Because Sn is given and you have to find the A1, A2. Means sum is given and you have to find second term, third term and fourth term. So what is the way to do this? First of all, let's put n is equal to 1. S1 will be equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square. It will be 4, 1 the 4 minus 1 come out to be 3. Right? Why I am doing all this, that you will be able to know later on. Put n is equal to 2. Then what we will be getting? S2 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 to the 8 minus 2 square is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Put n is equal to 3. S3 will be equal to 4 into 3 minus 3 square. It come out to be 4 3 the 12 minus 3 3 the 9. That is 3. Right? Put n is equal to 4. Then S4 equal to 4 into 4 minus 4 square. 4 into 4, 16. Minus 4 square is also 16. Comes out to be 0. Now children, focus here. I want A1, S2, A2, A3, A10, An. So near about A10, no need to put n 5, 6, 7 because no number near about 6, 7, 8, they are not given. So A10 we have to find. Put n is equal to 9. Rather than making the length of the question more, I am just coming to the point. We have to find A1, A2, A2, A3. So that's why I am putting 1, 2, 3, 4. Why I have put 4, I will tell you. And A10 near about A10 is 9 and 10 and 11. Hai na? So let's put 9. So S9 will be equal to 4 into 9 minus 9 square. 4 9 the 36 minus 9 square is 81. Come out to be minus 5 minus 45 it will come out. Clear? Now put n is equal to 10. Then S10 will be equal to 4 into 10 minus 10 square. 4 10 the 40. 10 square is 100. Come out to be minus 60. Similarly, Sn is this. Sn, put n is equal to, in place of n put n minus 1. You can put here also or you can do later. Let's do it later. Why to confuse you people? Ki ma'am, why it is ma'am is doing this 1, 2, 3 and she is leaving 4, 5, 6, 7. So don't get confused. Just I have given you hint that we have to find A1, so that is why we have put N1, 2, we have put 2, A3 we have put 3, near about that number 4, A10 I have to find, so 9, 10 I have put. Now, why I have done this? Come to the main logical point. The main logical point is we have to find the first term. First term, suppose any series I have A1, A2, A3 up to An. This is an AP. And if I say you to find S1, S1 will be what? S1 means sum of one term. S1 means sum of one term. And sum of one term will be A1 only. That is why A1, S1. बुक इन बुक इट इज ऑल्सो रिटन, है ना. दैट इज वाई A1 इज S1, क्योंकि एक टर्म का सम तो वही टर्म ही होगी ना. 5, 10, 15, 20 अगर मैं आपको सीरीज देती हूँ एंड आई से यू कि इस सीरीज में सिर्फ पहली टर्म का सम क्या है, तो पहली टर्म 5 ही है, तो 5 का सम 5 ही होगा, राइट. सो फर्स्ट टर्म सम विल बी A1 only. S1 is A1 only. And if I want to find second term from the sum, if I want to find second term will be what? Sum of two terms minus sum of one term. I give you example. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This AP series I am giving. I am saying you that find the sum of one term. So you will say, ma'am, sum of one term is 5 only. Right? If I say you to find the sum of two terms, you will say 15. 5 plus 10, 15. If I say you sum of three terms, so 15 plus 15, 30. है ना, like this. But if I say you कि कोई एक सीरीज है, sum of one term is 5 और दो टर्म का सम है 15, तो कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द सेकंड टर्म? नेचुरली सेकंड टर्म विल बी S2 माइनस S1. इन दो के सम में से एक का सम माइनस कर दोगे तो सेकंड टर्म आ जाएगी ना. S2 is 15 minus S1 is 5, it will come out to be 10. And if I say you sum of three term is 30, right, and sum of two term is 15, and I say you to find third term, so what will be third term? It will be S3 minus S2, it will be 30 minus 15, that is 15. मतलब ये कि तीन के सम में से दो का सम माइनस करोगे तो यू विल बी गेटिंग थर्ड टर्म. फ्रॉम द सम ऑफ फोर टर्म्स you subtract the sum of three terms, you will get the fourth term. Clear? Like this. So for finding A2, we will be taking as S2 minus S1. Similarly, A3 will be S3 minus S2. That number minus 1 less. Similarly, A4 will be sum of 4 terms minus sum of 3 terms. Fifth term will be sum of 5 terms minus sum of fourth term. Similarly, AN will be sum of n terms minus sum of 1 less. 1 less will be n minus 1. Clear? So please make it very clear to you कि why A2 is second term is sum of 2 term minus sum of 1 term. Third term is sum of 3 minus sum of 2. Fourth term is sum of 4 terms minus sum of 4 terms, board is clear, minus sum of 3 terms. Fifth term is sum of 5 minus sum of 4. Similarly, if I want to find AN, it will be sum of n terms minus 1 less sum of n minus 1 term. Now, if this is clear, the whole question is done. Look, I want A1. A1 is S1, S1 is 3. So this is your first answer. Clear? I want A2. A2 is S2 minus S1. S2 is 4, S1 is 3, it come out to be 1. This is another answer. Right? A3 is S3 minus S2. S3 is 3 minus S2 is 4 minus 1. This is your third term. Clear? Similarly, if you want to find A10, A10 will be what? S10 minus S9. Right? Sum of 10 terms is minus 60 minus sum of 9 terms is minus 45. Minus 60 minus minus plus 45, it come out to be minus 15. This is your another answer. Similarly, I want to find AN. AN is Sn minus Sn minus 1. Sn is what? 4n minus n square. Here there will be somewhat, you may feel the difficulty. Okay, first shall I rub the upper part, then I will be doing this, right? Minus 4 n minus 1 minus n minus 1 ka square. Rest of the part I will do on the another page of the another face of the board, right? First you see this only, because this question is lengthy. I don't have any space here, so that's why I am going to rub it, and then I will explain you the last part of it. Till here, understand it very carefully. Today I will be might be doing mainly, only 2 questions, but these 2 questions should be very much clear to you. Sn is given to you. Sn is 4n minus n square, and we want to find a1, that is s1, s2, sum of 2 terms, second term means a2, third term is a3, 10th term is a10, and nth term is an we have to find. So what we do, we in place of n put 1, 2, 3, 4, near about these numbers. I want 1, 2, 3 and 10. So put n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. I need to find n is equal to 4 also, and 5, 9 also, and n 10. Put all these values. And when you put n1, it come out to be 4 into 1 minus 1 square. You will be getting 3. Put n is equal to 2, 4 into 2 minus 2 square. It come out to be 4. Put n is equal to 3, 4 into 3 minus 3 square, come out to be 3. Put n is equal to 9, 4 into 9 minus 9 square, it come out to be minus 45. Put n is equal to 10, s10 will be 4 into 10 minus 10 square, it come out to be minus 60. Now a1, a2, a3 till an is the series. What I need to find? S1. S1 is sum of one term in this series. If I say you, what is the sum of one term? First term, that will be 5 only. Yani first term is the sum of one term. The sum of one term is A1 and it is the 3. Right? Now I want to find S2. S2 so we already have got 4. Now I want to find A2, second term. How we will find second term? Sum of 2 terms, because here we are not given AP, we are not given N, we are not given D. Only one thing we are given, that is sum. So from all the sum series, we have to find the terms of the AP. Clear? So for second term, sum of 2 terms minus sum of 1 term. For third term, sum of 3 term minus sum of 2 terms. For fourth term, sum of 4 terms minus sum of 3 terms. For fifth term, sum of 5 terms minus sum of 4 terms. In this way we will be doing. A2 will be, second term will be S2 minus S1. A3 will be S3 minus S2. This same, and 3 and 1 less. 4, 4, 1 less. 5, 5, 1 less. A3 is S3 minus S2, A4 is S4 minus S3, A5 is S5 minus S4. This will be same, this will be same, this is 1 less. A10 will be S10, same, minus 1 less. Similarly, A and Sn and same, and 1 less. Clear? So, A to S2 minus S1, S2 is 4, S1 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. A3 is S3 minus S2, S3 is 3, minus S2 is 4, 3 minus 4 minus 1. Similarly, A5 is S5, A5 to we need not to find, na? In case if we need to find, we put n is equal to 5 also. A10, S10 minus S9, S10 is minus 60, minus S9 is minus 45, come out to be minus 15. Clear? Now, we have to find what? We have to find what? We have to find an. An I need to find. It is Sn minus Sn minus 1. Sn is same 4n minus n square minus, in place of n, now you will put n minus 1. 4 into n minus 1. I am putting big bracket, है ना, because small bracket is also there for n minus 1. That is why to differentiate I am putting it in big bracket. Minus, in place of n I have to put n minus 1 का square. 4 in place of n minus 1 minus, again in place of n minus 1 का square. Is this clear? See, this is Sn minus Sn minus 1. Here in place of n minus 1, here in place of n minus 1. Clear? Now this is solved. You just have to open and solve it. It is 4n minus n square. Open the bracket. 4 into n is 4n minus 4 into 1 is 4 minus, I am not opening the bracket. First I am expanding it. What is a minus b ka whole square? It is a ka square plus b ka square minus 2 into a into b. A ka square plus 1 ka square b ka square minus 2 into n into 1. It is 4n minus n square. Now open it. This is big bracket. This is big bracket. 4n minus 4. This is minus sign. All the signs in the bracket will get changed. It become minus n square minus 1 minus minus plus 2 n. Here again open the bracket. 4n minus n square. Open all the signs, these terms, and when we open this bracket, again signs will be changed. It will be plus. This is plus. It become minus. This is minus become plus. This is minus become plus. This is minus become plus. This is plus become minus. Now minus 4n plus 4n cut, minus n square plus n square cut. So what answer is left? 4 plus 1 5 minus 2n. So this is your last answer. Is this clear to all of you? Please see it again and again so that the question should be clear to you. Sn minus Sn minus 1. Sn is same, put as it is, minus, in place of n now you will put n minus 1. So 4, and in place of n minus 1 minus, in place of n minus 1 ka whole square. 4n minus n square minus, open this bracket, 4 into n 4n minus 4 into 1 4 minus, expand it. A minus b ka whole square is what? A ka square plus b ka square minus 2 into n into 1. Close the bracket. 4n minus n square minus 4n minus 4 as it is. Now outside the bracket there is minus sign. All the signs will get changed. This become minus, this become minus, this become plus. Again when you open this bracket, again this minus sign, all the signs will be changed. 4n minus n square, it become minus 4n plus 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 and minus. This cut, plus 4n minus 4n cut, 4 plus 1 5 minus 2n. So I hope this is clear to you, and please after watching this video do this question with your hand also. Then only it will be more clear to you. Clear? Now, one more question, beta, I am explaining you. Only one more question. Rest I will do in the Google Meet. Take out exercise now 5.4. I am doing first question. Exercise 5.4. Rest questions I will do in the Google Meet, okay? Exercise 5.4, question number 1. Your statement is, which term of the series 121, 117, 113 ... is first negative term? Which term is the first negative term? Yani in this series 117, 113 ... you have to tell which term, you have to tell its position will be the first negative term. It means an should be negative. It means an should be negative. Which term should be first negative term? So first negative term, which term? So this negative term will be the nth term. So an should be negative. If an should be negative, means an should be less than 0. This is a necessary condition and key point of this whole question. An less than 0. Why it should be less than 0? Because an should be negative. Last term should be negative. And that I have to tell its position. Means I have to find n. Which term means n? We have to tell its position. Now it's simple. Here A is what? 121. D is what? 117 minus 121. That is 4. N we have to tell. Right? Now what is an? An is a plus n minus 1 into d. It should be less than 0. It should be less than 0. A is 121 plus n minus 1. D is 4. 4 or minus 4? Minus 4. Should be less than 0. 121 minus 4n minus 4n minus 4 multiplied by n minus 4n minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 plus 4 should be less than 0. 121 plus 4 125 minus 4n should be less than 0. Don't do, whenever there is inequality sign greater or less, you will not you can't cut minus signs together. So just make it simple way also. Only 125 will be less than 4n will go to that side. Don't do minus 125. Don't do minus 4n less than minus 125. Don't do like this. Clear? Yeah, in case if you will do like just leave it. 125 less than 4n. 125 upon 4 less than n. Change into the mixed fraction. 31 1 by 4 less than n. Means 31.25 less than n. Yeah, you can say n should be greater than 31.25. If n is greater than 31st term, so what is should be the which will be the negative term? If n is greater than 31, matlab position is greater than 31, it means 32nd value will be the negative term. 32nd term will be the negative term. Clear? Look at once again. Which term of this is first negative term? This is AP. You have to tell कि which term, at which position negative term will be there. So whatever the term will be here, that will be the nth term, और इसी nth की we have to find the position. Clear? So this an should be negative. An should be negative means an should be less than 0. An is what? For finding an we need to find a and d. A is 121. D is a2 minus a1. 117 minus 121. It come out to be minus 4. An will be a plus n minus 1 into d. It should be less than 0. 121 plus n minus 1, d is minus 4, less than 0. 121, open it. N into minus 4 and minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4, less than 0. 125 minus 4 and less than 0. 125 less than 4 and take to the other side. Now 4 will be divided. 125 upon 4 is 31, 1 by 4, less than n. 31.25 less than n. Yeah, you can say n greater than 31st point something. After 31st, what comes out to be 32nd? So it means proper value of n, yani negative term of n will be 32nd term. Clear? So children, rest of the questions I will do in the Google Meet. Watch this video carefully and please do both these questions. These are both important questions and different also. These do practice of these questions. Clear? And then I will be explaining you other questions also. Thank you.